Ayan, yung aking anak. Kakain din yan. Ayan. So, kami lang tatlo. Merry Christmas! Ayan o, kakain kami. Maghotpot kami tatlo. Ayan. Maghahotpot kami kasi kami lang tatlo for today's video, guys. Ayan, ito na naman ang aming handa for today. Ayan, first Christmas. Sticker. Ayan. Ayan. Kami lang ang kakain. Ayan. Ayan ang aming handa for today. Ayan. Maghatpat na naman kami, guys. At saka yung tuyo ko, guys. Good siya, Jeff. Of course, ang ating rice is live. Ayan. So, start na tayong kumain rice. With our drinks.
Yan ang ating handa for first Christmas here in Netherlands. So, yan, naghotpot kami with my family. Ayan. Today's video, guys. Ang sarap ng aming hotpot. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa din sila na mag-ama na mag-hotpot. O, diba? Natuwa silang mag-grill.
Ayan ang ating ice cream. O, diba? Christmas tree.